Hey, this is Brad with WTI, and we all deal with some sort of aches or pains, and sometimes we're willing to try things that are a little different, and that is where this ProsourceFit Acupressure mat comes in handy. I know it looks like a little intimidating, and honestly, when you first touch it with like your fingertips, it does feel a little intimidating with the 8,000 pressure points, and it feels like it might be a little bit sharp, but kind of like a bed of nails, when you actually lay on it, it is actually feels really good. And so what's interesting about this as well is originally we bought it for somebody else as a gift, for somebody with fibromyalgia, and they raved about how it helped them. And so we got one for ourselves, to see if it would help us as well. And it has, we really enjoy it. You can use it in a lot of different applications, like the pillow you can use on your neck. This you can use on your back, and you can kind of move it around up and down your body, depending on where you're experiencing something. So you can use this pillow as well. Instead of just using it on your neck, you can put it on the floor and put your feet on it if you've got achy feet. And it really is an interesting feeling after you lay on it or put your body on it for a little while. What's nice too is the covers with the little pressure points come off, and so if you need to replace the padding or replace the pillow after a while, maybe the foam starts to degrade or something like that, you can do that fairly easily without having to just get the whole thing over again. So that's what we enjoy about the ProsourceFit Acupressure mat and pillow, and that's my point of view.